Hello friends, I welcome you to another interesting class in our coreldraw. My name is Rafi Yakub. I'm reaching you live from Lagos State, Nigeria. In our today's class in coreldraw, we are going to talk about updating our billboard banner design. The last training as far as billboard banner design in coreldraw was able to make a design and complete everything. But in today's training, what I'm going to do is I will create a template. I will add my picture, then I want you guys to incorporate text to the banner. So I will provide the practical training source file in coreldraw file. So I will send it to you on WhatsApp. Then all you have to do is to download it and open up the corel file on your desktop. Then do one or two things and send it back to me in JPEG file. So let me see how far you are able to understand the concept of billboard banner design in coreldraw. So without wasting much of our time, let's get the training started. First thing we have to do is to go to Home tab here and click on File and select New, just to make a new page size. So, like as always said, billboard banner can be in any form of size, all right? So I'm going to type here billboard banner design. Right, so I have to come down here to type my width size. So like I always said, billboard can be in any form of size. All you have to do is to watch the step by step I'm doing in this video and see how you can create a unique billboard banner, right? So still going to make use of the same size in a previous billboard banner. So 32 by 93 pixels to be my width. Then my height, so height is going to be 1843 pixels. Then color should always be CMYK and the resolution should always be 300. So having done all that, then you come down below here and click on OK. All right, so the next thing I'm going to do is to go to my toolbar and select my zoom tool. And I'll come to the Home tab here and make it to be 50%. And let's see, okay, let me try 25%. Okay, so this is the layout of my billboard banner. The next thing I'm going to do is to start the concept, right? So what I'm going to do next is to go to my toolbar again. I will select my pen tools. Then I can start my concept from the top here. Then straight down like this. Then I can press down Control key to cut my part. So let me select again. Then Shift key and drag to make sure that the part is outside the page border, right? Okay, so I can go back to my toolbar again and double click the rectangle just to make a page border. So in this case now, the next thing I'm going to do is to continue with my style. So I'll go back to my pen tools again. From the toolbar here, I will select my pen tools again. Now I'll make another part from below here. I was thinking like okay, let me connect from this point here. Let's say we connect from this point, sorry, from this point. Then we close the part here and Control to cut. All right, so one other thing I'm going to do is to go back to my my toolbar again. I will select rectangle now. Then having select rectangle, I will make a rectangle like this. So it can be of any size of rectangle. Then I will click once on the rectangle. Then I will make use of these tools now, just to squeeze, right? I think I'm okay with that. So I can go back to my pick tools now. Now, one other thing I'm going to do is to connect this. Let me take it in a little bit. So I think I'm okay with that. So I'll go back to my tools bar again, and I'll select my pen tools. So having select my pen tools, I will make a node at this point here. Then I will try as much as possible to connect the node here. Then I'll press Ctrl key down to cut. Then I will make another node here. Then I'll make, and I'll cut with my Ctrl key down, right? So I'm getting to my right concept. So let me zoom out and see what we can do here. So at this point here, I need to make sure that this is very much close. So I can drag and take it close like this. Let me see the top. Okay. So at this point now, the next thing I'm going to do is to apply my smart fill tools into the banner shape. So I will select my smart fill from the tools bar here. Then I can fill this place, and this place. Then I'll go to my move tool. I'll press shift key down and select this. Then I'll go to my home tab and select word. Right, so I can change this color so as to differentiate it from the black. So I will come here, my smart fill, then I will fill this. Very good. So I'll go back to my rectangle again. I still need a rectangle. So we'll make another rectangle here. So I'll click once, then I will squeeze. So I can make a duplicate of this, then I will just right click and press Ctrl key down, then I will select copy here. So I can just take it up a little bit. I'm trying to create a shadow at this point here. Okay. It's much. Good. So I'm good with that. So what I'm going to do next is to go back to my smart fill now. I will fill this place, then I will fill the entire shape. So I will fill this, then I have to select this now. I will change this color so as to differentiate from the shape. Then I will select this, then I will change this color also. All right. So I can maintain this color and this style just like that. So zoom in. Now, what I need next in this banner is to bring in my picture for the banner. So I have to go to my home tab again. I'll click on import icon or press Ctrl I on your keyboard to then I'll navigate and look for my picture. So I was thinking of using let me see. Okay, still looking for the picture to use for this design. Okay, let me see if we can make this a coffee banner. So I'm going to select this coffee now, then I'll click on import. Then I'll drag and put it down like this. So let's see if you can make it a coffee banner, all right? So I have to go back to my toolbar again and select my smart fit tools. Then I will fill this place. So this is where I'm going to power clip the picture. So I will select the coffee picture now. Then I'll go to home tab. I will select effect, then power clip, place inside frame. Then I'll place it here. Very good. So if I'm to adjust this, I think, let me zoom out and see. Wow, I think this is very much nice. As so I'm going to delete this. Then at this point now we can start to play around with the color for the banner. So the color can be picked from the coffee as well. So if I select this, then I go to my toolbar and select my eye color dropper. So let me say I pick my color from here. So the color still in CMYK, I paint it like this. Very good. So I select this now. My eye color dropper again. Let's say I pick my color from here. So I need a lighter. Okay, I think this should be okay. Then I'll paint it here. Then the same color can be applied at this point. Very good. So here we can change the color. So my eye color dropper again, I can pick from here. Very good. I think I'm satisfied with this color here. Then we can paint this one here. So the same thing here. Put this one here. Okay. So at this point, we need another rectangle again. So I can just pull another rectangle here. And so I will fill it with the same color as this. So I will remove the stroke. Now I need to apply color here also. This stroke here, this part here. So I will select this color now. Now I need to connect this with my part. So let me zoom out the entire shape, zoom to, then zoom out. So in this case now, I will go back to my tools bar again and I will select my pen tools now. Then I'll make another part. I'll create a node here. And I'll try as much as possible to do something. And I'll connect this here also. Let's see with my smart fill now. Boom. So we can now pick, let me pick a color from this point here. Then I'll put it down here. not satisfied. So let me see if the other color, this color here, can go with it. No. My eye color dropper. It's not feasible. Also, what I'm going to do is let me select another color here. Let me paint it here. All right, so I think I'm good with this kind of concept. So the next thing I'm going to do is to incorporate text to this banner. But as far as this is concerned, what I'm going to do for you, what I want you guys to do for me is that I want you to think on how you can put text into this banner. When you are done, you send it back to me on WhatsApp. I'm going to provide this source file in CorelDRAW file, and I will send it to you as a project file. Just put something there and let me see how far you are able to understand the concept of Billboard banner in CorelDRAW class. Thank you for watching this training from the beginning to the end. So I hope to hear from you guys soon. Thank you.